Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one's about Facebook business pages and how to ban a user. So perhaps you've had a bad interaction, you don't want them to be able to post even from the beginning, or you've had someone who has had a bad comment on the page, and we want to get rid of that, and of course then we want to ban them. So to ban a person, first of course you have to be the owner or the manager, and you have to go to your page. Then in the upper right you'll click on the settings here. When it comes up, we'll come over and click on people and other pages from the left hand menu. When that comes up, we'll then click, if not already selected, we can click on the banned people and pages. From here we can enter a name or email. We can even just put Bill in there. Right, so obviously there's going to be tons of bills, so you have to be careful that you match the exact person that you want. And remember, even sometimes you'll have both first and last names that are exactly the same. So perhaps one of the best cases is to make sure that you even have the icon or the picture to match. So do your research well before you do that. And of course, once you put this in and it's a legitimate one, you would then click save, and that will show up in your banned people and pages. That way people aren't able to affect your Facebook business page. Hope this helps. You can look in the description below for more helpful links and information. You can always come over to BTFOOM.com and learn more and become a member and get even more access to tutorials. Thanks. Hope it helps.